So I just got here, so I'm going to put my things out to display them, so that, yeah, this is how it's looking like. Some people are already here, some are not. There are still some tables that need some people, so I'm going to set mine here. I'm going to set my things over there. Yeah, all right, let's do this. Okay, now we are done setting up the things. So those are keychains, or you can use them as charms for your bag. These ones, and this one are water bottle bags, and also this cute bag here, and also this one. I love this one, and the color is so good. Some heart, this one, and this ones, and these ones, and also these ones. Yeah, and we cannot forget these ones. You see these ones, the same, the beach wears, some top, another ones, shrug. This is a short and a top for the beach, a skirt and a top, scarves, sweaters. This one is the same as the one I'm wearing now. This one is a dress. Yeah, and this one is also the same as this. Yeah. All right, so we are done setting up for now. So let's sit and wait for customers. Yeah. As I was sitting there waiting for customers, I'll be honest with you guys, there were quite moments, those little pauses where you start to wonder, like, did I promote enough? Did I bring the right pieces? Will people even stop? But I've learned that faith and patience goes hands in hand when you are building something real. Just like that, God really showed up. These beautiful ladies came walking by, and I noticed that they were smiling, whispering while looking at my stand. And I'm like, okay, maybe something caught their eyes. So we started chatting, and it felt so natural, like not just about the product, but about life, fashion, creativity, this and that. And they touch the fabric, ask questions like about how long it takes to make a piece, what kind of yarn I use, and even how I got started with crochet. And in those moments, I was reminded why I love doing this so much. Yeah, to be honest, I was reminded why I love doing crochet and content, everything I do. So they didn't only admire my work, they also supported my business. They bought some things for me, and as you can see, I'm packaging some of the crochet pieces they bought here on the spot for these beautiful ladies. And guys, like, we also exchanged numbers. They told me that they want to customize some others, and we exchanged numbers. And guess what? After a few days, they reached out, and I was able to make some custom orders for them. And it was not just about the sales, it was about the connection, the support, the love for the handmade. And to be honest, this is the beauty of my journey, or what I do, because every order, every conversation, every person who sees the value in my work, it means so much to me. Like, it means the world to me. So to those ladies, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. You didn't just buy from me, you put into my dreams. And to everyone else supporting Sintia Crochets or Cynthia here online or in person, thank you for believing in my gift and being a part of my life. I promise to keep creating with love, passion, and purpose. And if you ever see me at the market, please come say hi, take a look, ask questions. Who knows? You might leave with your next favorite piece, or even customize your order that's, made just for you. So after the sale, we moved around to see what other vendors has, because this is more like a craft market where you can buy gifts. It happens once in a while. There are a couple of markets here in Rwanda. You can check out my Instagram sometimes for them. So let's look around what other vendors has here. Yeah, these people make like chocolate. They're so good here, like made in Rwanda. Look at this one. Yeah, like you can give someone these gifts. Yeah, look at this one. Oh, okay. Okay. Yitwa ni Sintia. Ni Sintia. Yeah. Wayibonye? Ntabwo wayibonye? Love sees no borders. Hi. I'm just taking a video for my YouTube. Yeah. You're doing YouTube. Sorry? You do YouTube. Yeah, I do YouTube. So I was like, let me do a day in my life, coming to sell and things. Yeah, just like that.
Playing. Nazino kokutawo zvene video zviri kuitwa neamwe kutenderera
I'm not going off. Like it sounds like I'm not going off the beat.
Yes.
Although I don't know what you are like what I'm playing or anything.
Keep playing. Remember?
Oh, that's one day.
Yeah. Warm up. Go to the left.
Oh, okay. Guys, that was a lot of fun. Like it was my first time seeing that instrument and it was my first time trying it. Can you imagine? That guy is a very good teacher, so he was teaching me how to play it, and then you know we end up vibing, and yeah, that's how we are going to end the night. This is the first day, and you know we did make a few sales, but you know we still have tomorrow, so maybe tomorrow will be better. I don't know what's wrong with this light. Yeah, it's turning on off. I don't know what the problem is. So yeah, that's how it is. We're going to end the first day today. We are coming back tomorrow. Yeah, if we don't do a video tomorrow, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here with me and spending the day with me, and I will see you in another video. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos to your friends. By the way guys, if you want something crochet, let me know in the comment section. Anything, any design you have, let me know in the comment section. You know I can do it for you guys. Yes, or if you like something in those things that I have here, let me know in the comment section. Bye.
Senti, uno qui manda per sei così.
Cioè, ma fatto una fatica, una rimessa.
Ma facciamo foto. Secondo cosa ne è? So I'm going back home. I'm going home. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share my video to your friends. And don't skip the ads, please. Watch the ads so that I can make some money.